So integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. This is a 2 marks question from 2015, and you can use cos c minus cos d transformation formula, but that's very lengthy process. So I applied multiple angles. Cos 2a, 2 cos square a minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square a is also there, but that's not useful here because the terms are cosine terms. Everything is in terms of cos. And whenever minus is there, put a bracket. So 2 cos square x minus 1 minus of cos 2 alpha means 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Now, if you simplify the bracket, minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled. So 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square alpha. If I take 2 common, I get cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. You must write dx with respect to x where integrated. Now, simple algebraic formula, simple algebra identity, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So this will be cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So cos x minus cos alpha will be cancelled. 2 is a constant, you can take it out. You can take it out. Constants have to be kept outside the integral symbol. If it is constant for whole function, if it's constant for only first term, you cannot take. Okay, you can take individual terms, but it is 2 into bracket means 2 you can take out. Now, what is integration of cos x? What is integration of cos x? First, integration of cos x is sin x, not minus sin x. Why integration of cos x is sin x? Because derivative of sin x is cos x. Next, integration of cos alpha, sin alpha anta helbidutte. Sin x bardevalla, same anga sin alpha. Cos x is a function, it contains x. Sin cos alpha is not a function, alpha is a constant. So what is integration of constant? Constant into x, whatever be the constant. So cos alpha is constant into x. That is the formula in our standard integration results. Integration of k, kx. Integration of mx. So integration of cos alpha into x. Cos alpha is not a function, it's not a variable, it's a constant. So this is the answer. Is it correct? Okay. Yes, you can separate and write. That's correct. Ranjita, Kumar. So integration is entirely different from differentiation. Even though it's the reverse process, it's different. For example, integration of root x plus 1 by root x whole square. This is a 1 mark question we have done. You should not think that it is in the form integration of x square. Square antakshana x square agangilla integration. We cannot write x cube by 3. We cannot write this whole cube by 3. That's wrong. You cannot apply this formula for this function. You have to simplify it. You have to simplify, and it should be x square only. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Integration of any other square, you cannot apply that formula. It's not like differentiation. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to simplify. You have to reduce and apply any one formula out of those 30 standard integrals. Okay. Take the next question. Next question. Integration of cos 6x into square root of 1 plus sin 6x. This is a 2 marks question from 2018. Yeah, that's right, Ranjita, from 2018 for 2 marks. Yes, obviously we cannot simplify it. root of 1 plus sine 6x. How you simplify it? Of course, it can be simplified. 1 can be written as sine square 3x plus cos square 3x. You can write. But what is the use of that? So there is no any denominator, any factor in the denominator to cancel and simplify it. So this is not a problem on integration by simplification. It's integration by substitution. How to identify that it's substitution? In substitution, there will be a function and its derivative along with the dx. For example, what is the derivative of sine 6x? Cos 6x into dx along with dx. So therefore, I can take sine 6x as main function, or better 1 plus sine 6x, because derivative of 1 is 0. It will not affect. So 1 plus sine 6x is the main function. Its derivative is cos 6x into 6. So whenever there is a function and its derivative in the integrand along with the dx, that derivative should be attached to dx. Okay, then you can use substitution. So here, what is the substitution? You have to put t is equal to 1 plus sine 6x. Keep in mind, substitution is applied when there is a main function and its derivative. F is there, f dash is also there. F dash into dx, that whole thing, that whole expression is one term. F dash x into dx. You should observe. Then take that f of x as t. So put t is equal to 1 plus sine 6x. If I differentiate, derivative of 1 is 0. Sine 6x derivative 6 cos 6x. But in the integrand, I am having cos 6x dx in the problem. 6 cos 6x illa. So 6 is unwanted. Unwanted means you have to bring it here on the left hand side. So dt by 6 is equal to cos 6x dx. So the derivative given in the function, the same derivative you must obtain in the substitution. Yes. So identify mark cos 6x dx. Same ade barabakille. 6 cos 6x bandu rupagilla. I don't have 6 cos 6x in the problem. So 6 you have to divide, cross multiply. So cos 6x dx I'm having. Here also cos 6x dx. That's why I said there should be a function f of x and f dash x dx. It's a derivative along with the dx. If it is there, then it is integration by substitution. So I'll get cos x dx. Cos x into dx. Altogether it is dt by 6. We have to say dt by 6. And this is square root of 1 plus sine 6x, that is taken as t. Okay. So what I get? dt by 6. By 6 means 1 by 6. You can take common. Integration of root t is similar to root x. Root x, we don't have standard direct formula. So root t can be written as t raised to 1 by 2. There is no direct formula. Integration of 1 by root x. There is a direct formula, 2 root x. But if it is only root x, you must write it as x raised to 1 by 2. So what is integration of x raised to n? X raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. T raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. So 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. So 1 by 6 into 2 by 3 means we get 1 by 9. T raised to 3 by 2. T raised to 3 by 2. What is t? T we have taken. T is not there in the given function. In the given problem, everything is in terms of x. T we have taken for our convenience to make it easy. So you have to substitute it, its value once again. So what is t? 1 plus sine 6x to the power 3 by 2. Final answer should not be in terms of t, because t is not given in the problem at all. T we have taken in the middle of the problem for our convenience. So this is a simple typical question on integration by substitution. Every problem on substitution works in this manner. There is a main function f of x, that should be t, and f dash x dx. Together that will be dt or dt by 3, dt by 6. That you would write and apply the standard integration formula. And in the last step, don't forget to substitute the value of t back in the answer. Is it clear? Okay, this is a 2 marks question. Integration is reverse process of differentiation, but techniques you have to learn in a different way, because you cannot apply the formulas like differentiation here. Everything you have to reduce. So if you ask me what is the main technique in integration, reducing the integrand to the standard form. To reduce, I can use simplification. Any identity I can use from trigonometry. I can use substitution. Sometimes I have to split the fractions, partial fractions. If everything fails, then I may apply u into v. If there are two functions, product of two functions. So like that, you have to identify. Observation is very important and apply the appropriate method and reduce it, then integrate in the last step. So integration will be in the last step after simplifying. Take the next question. Integration of, this is also an important question from the question paper. Integration of 1 by x minus square root of x. This is from 2015, 2 marks. Integration of 1 by x minus root x. So, ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. In the last question, I can easily identify sin x is the main function and derivative of sin is cos. Both are there. But sometimes it's not visible. We cannot observe which is the function, which is the derivative. The function has to be taken as t, not the derivative. So how to do this? Yes, this is a very famous question in the exam. We have done in the classroom also, in the offline classes. Yes, what is the technique? You can write in the chat box. Yes. Yes, that's right, Rakshita. So this x can be written as root x into root x. X can be written as root x into root x. Root x into root x is x. Now take root x common. I get root x minus 1. Why we get 1 here? Because there is only one root x. I have taken common. So now which is the main function and which is the derivative? Yes. Root x minus 1. Root x is the main function. 1 I can attach because derivative of 1 will be 0. Okay. Whenever constant is there, you take it along with the function. So root x is the main function. And what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x is here. 1 by 2 root x illa anta anbodhu. 1 by 2. 2 is a constant, you can balance always. But 1 by root x is there. 1 by root x means it is as good as 1 by 2 root x. 2 you can balance. So this is the main function. Root x minus 1 is the main function. Its derivative is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by root x. So function is there. Its derivative is also there into dx along with that. So substitute or put t is equal to root x minus 1. If I differentiate, what is the derivative? 1 by 2 root x, and derivative of constant is 0. But we have 1 by root x, 1 by 2 root x illali. If something is unwanted, you cross multiply. 2 dt is equal to 1 by root x dx. So what is 1 by root x into dx? This is 2 dt. In the last problem, it was dt by 6. So always you have to get like that. So what is the derivative? What is given in the integrand along with dx? The same thing you have to get here. 1 by root x dx is given. So 1 by root x dx is barabar clear. And what is its value? It may be sometimes only dt, dt by 6, 2 dt, that you have to write. So 1 by root x dx, altogether it is 2 dt. And what remains? 1 by root x minus 1. But root x minus 1 I have taken as t. Constant has to be kept outside to integration of 1 by t. I need not simplify anything. It's a direct formula. Integration of 1 by x log of mod x. So integration of 1 by t log of mod t. But t is our notation. It is not there. But substitute. It's but to put it back in the answer. What is t? Root x minus. So write down the value of t in its place. So that's the answer for 2 marks. Function and its derivative. Take the function as t. Derivative into dx, that is equal to 2 dt. Simplification, integration by simplification is applicable when you can easily reduce by using any trigonometric identity, algebraic identity. But whenever there is a function and its derivative, it's not so easily simplified, then substitution is the best way. Okay, that's right. Put mod for log, because log is defined for positive real values. What is the domain of log x? The function log x, logarithmic function. The domain is, what is the domain? It is 0, infinity, open interval. Open interval means something greater than 0 has to be taken. It's defined for only positive values. So this is the domain of log x. So put mod. But in our Karnataka theory exam, sometimes we don't write the modulus because we assume that it is always positive and you can drop the mod. But better if you write the mod for log function. Next question. From March 2019, you can easily identify which is the function, which is the derivative here. Integration of 1 divided by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square. 2019, 2 marks. Substitution is mostly asked for 2 marks in the question papers. Yeah, do this. Because for 3 marks, he has asked the partial fractions and parts, integration by parts. So 2 marks, for 2 marks, we have substitution. So you can easily identify, but only one simplification, one step is required. So what is one? Yes, any doubt? No? So what is 1 by cos square? 1 by cos square is secant square x. Only one step is required, divided by this. Yes, you can identify easily which is the main function. Tan x is the main function, or along with tan x, you can write 1 also. 1 minus tan x is the main function. Why it is the main function? Its derivative is there. What is the derivative of tan x? Secant square x into dx. That's important. Secant square x dx is there. So substitute or put t is equal to 1 minus tan x. Square bidaveka, square tagobardu. Mat ನೀವು square ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ derivative of x square will be 2x. That's very clumsy. So only take the function, that main function whose derivative is there along with dx. So if I differentiate, derivative of 1 is 0, minus tan x derivative is secant square x, but I don't have minus in the given problem, in the integrand. In the given question, I don't have minus. Whichever is unwanted, bring it to the left hand side. Minus, if you cross multiply here, minus the dt is equal to sec square x dx. Yes, observe keenly. Sec square x dx. Here also sec square x dx. So sec square x into dx. Together it is only minus dt. Sec square x dx. That whole expression is minus dt. And 1 divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. 1 minus tan x is taken as d, but square is there, so 1 by t square. Take minus outside, so integration of 1 by t square. So many of you are doing the mistake here. You are writing again t raised to minus 2, integration of x raised to n plus. Of course you can do, but there is a direct formula. When there is a direct standard result, write it. Why you write x raised to minus n? So integration of 1 by x square. There is a formula, minus 1 by x. So integration of 1 by t square, minus 1 by t. So minus into minus is plus 1 by t. T is, what is the actual value of t? 1 minus tan x. So 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. Okay, I'll write here if it's not visible. So minus into minus plus 1 by t means 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. Okay. I hope it's clear. So in the first step, you cannot identify, but when you write 1 by cos square as secant square, then it is substitution. Next question. Always remember, the concepts will be more cleared. It will be reinforced in your mind when you do it for the second time, when you revise it. You have learned integration, but when you are revising now for a second time, it will be reinforced. So when you revise it third time again at your home on your own, you get more perfection. So keep in mind, this is the open secret: revise and revise. Integration of this is a 3 marks question from the model question paper. 1 divided by x plus x log x. Actually, it's a 2 marks question for board exam, but in the MQP model paper, he has given for 3 marks. Yes, come on. So here also in the first step, it's not easily identified. Take x common, we get 1 plus log x. Take x common. Now we can easily identify log x is the main function. Its derivative is 1 by x. 1 by x is there. 1 by x into dx. So substitute or put t is equal to log x, or along with that constant you can take 1 plus log x. Constant you cannot take when if it is 1 plus log x whole square. If it's 1 plus log x whole square, the square is only for log. In that case, put t is equal to log x. You cannot take 1 plus log x because log x square is there. Okay, but now it is only log x, so 1 plus log x. The whole function is taken as t. So if I differentiate, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of log x is 1 by x, you have to cross multiply. So 1 by x dx will be dt, and 1 by t. Integration of 1 by t is log of mod t. Mod of t means 1 plus log x plus c. It's very simple. Is it clear? Please write fast or take the screenshot. Go to next question. Integration of 2x into sine of x square plus 1 dx. So many times students take it in a wrong way. They think that this is u into v because 2x is algebraic, sine is trigonometric, u into v. You can apply u into v, but it's not required at all. Reason, derivative of x square is 2x. When there is a function and its derivative, you can easily simplify it. Why you take the trouble of applying u into v? That's very tedious. So derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x. 2x is there. I've clearly told you the technique. Function and its derivative. That's all. So take that function as t. Which function? Not sine. Only x square plus 1. So if I differentiate, derivative of x square is 2x. And if you cross multiply, dt is equal to 2x dx. So 2x into dx will be dt, and this is sine t. Integration of sine x, it will be minus cos x minus cos t plus c minus cos t means x square plus 1. So minus cos of x square plus 1 plus c. X square plus 1 is the main function. Its derivative is 2x. So take the function x square plus 1 as t. Okay. Next question. Integration of just wait. e to the power 2x minus 1 divided by e to the power 2x plus 1. This is a substitution problem, but very typical, not the direct one. You cannot identify which is the main function. Many of you are saying e to the power 2x is the main function. Okay, what is the derivative of e to the power 2x? E to the power 2x. But I said if f of x is the main function, then f dash x dx should be there. But e to the power 2x derivative is e to the power 2x. E to the power 2x dx is not there. It is e to the power 2x minus 1 into dx is there. You must have f dash x into dx. Then only that f of x can be substituted as t. So e to the power 2x you cannot take as t because its derivative is e to the power 2x into dx. E to the power 2x into dx is not there. So this is a typical question. Examic Bandila. It's there in the model paper. The technique here is divide numerator and denominator by e to the power x. Keep in mind, it's a typical question for KCET also. Whenever you have e to the power 2x like this, divide by e to the power x, numerator and denominator. So what I get? E to the power 2x by e to the power x. E to the power 2x by e to the power x is e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power x. It is e to the power minus x. 1 by e to the power x divided by e to the power 2x by e to the power 2x. E to the power 2x, e to the power x. If you divide e raised to m minus n, 2x minus x, we get e raised to x plus 1 by e raised to x. 1 by e raised to x means e raised to minus x. Now, if you observe carefully, the denominator is the main function. Its derivative is numerator. What is the derivative of e to the power x? E to the power x. What is the derivative of e to the power minus x? E to the power minus x into minus 1. Because minus x is there, its derivative is minus. So if you take the denominator as t, definitely the numerator is the direct derivative of that along with the dx into dx. So like that. So put t is equal to that whole denominator and differentiate e to the power x, derivative is e to the power x, e to the power minus x derivative, e to the power minus x into minus 1. So if you cross multiply, e raised to x minus e raised to minus x. So the whole numerator will be dt and denominator is t. What is integration of 1 by t? Log of mod t, log of mod e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Nice. Write fast or take the screenshot. Is it clear? So there are some typical questions in substitution where substitution cannot be identified easily. You have to first reduce it. Some 2 steps are required, then you can identify which is the main function. Okay. So one more question we'll do. This is from 2017 for 2 marks. Integration of tan 4th root x, tan root x to the power 4, tan root x raised to 4. You can read tan 4th root x into sec square root x divided by root x. Usually you read it as tan raised to 4. There is no meaning in reading it as tan raised to 4. Tan has no meaning. It is tan root x raised to 4 or tan 4th root x. And sec squared antivala, x squared, x cube, and tan 4th root x into sec squared root x divided by root x dx. Yes, which is the main function. Derivative of tan is sec square. You can easily identify. It's very easy. Derivative of tan is sec square. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Root x is there in the denominator. 2 is constant. You can avoid it by cross multiplying. So if I differentiate, so what will be the derivative? Derivative of tan sec square root x, then derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. It's a chain rule. Tan of root x is a composite function. So sec square root x into 2 root x. But I have sec square root x divided by root x. There is no 2 in the denominator. So 2 na cross multiply madri. 2 dt is equal to sec square root x divided by root x. The same thing I have to get here. Sec square root x divided by root x dx. The same thing I have to get here. So that is 2 dt. The entire expression is 2 dt. And this is 1 by L. I'm sorry. This is 2 dt. And tan 4th root x means tan root x are taken as t. So t raised to 4. Correct? Sec square root x by root x. That is 2 dt. And tan root x is t. Tan raised to 4 means t raised to 4. 2 is constant. So what is integration of t raised to 4? X raised to n. So t raised to 5 by 5 plus c. So I get 2 by 5, t raised to 5, tan root x to the power of 5 plus c. That is the answer. Tan 5th root x. No, it's not 4th root. No, Kumar, it's not 5th root. Tan root x to the power 4. Tan to the power of 4th root alla. Tan square and the tan 4th, tan square, tan cube, tan 4th, like that. Okay. Well, so just you take this question for your practice. In the next class, in the next video, you'll do more and more problems on substitution and other techniques. Other techniques means partial fractions, parts. They'll be asked for 3 marks. Okay. So take this question for your practice. Integration of 1 divided by sin x into cos cube x. This is for 2 marks from 2016. So do this question. See you again tomorrow with more and more interesting problems. Till then, take care and bye-bye.